Hi friends, hope you are doing great. Today we are going to see the deploying FortiGate VM from Google Cloud Marketplace. So this is today only they have launched before 2 hours only. So I am going to make this video friends. Okay. So Fortinet. Whether our organization is big or small, FortiGate VM delivers modern security for our hybrid cloud infrastructure. It also automates management for consistent enforcement and visibility. So, how quickly can we deploy FortiGate VM? In this demo of Click to Deploy, we will see how to deploy a FortiGate VM solution through the Google Cloud Marketplace. Okay, so Fortinet, it's a Fortinet next generation firewall delivers next generation firewall and SD WAN capabilities for organizations of all size. It enables broad content and network protection and automated management for consistent enforcement and visibility across our hybrid cloud infrastructure. In this demo, we are going to first search for FortiGate VM in Marketplace, and next we are going to configure the deployment. Third, we are going to test the deployment, and finally we are going to delete each and everything. Okay, let's start the demo. Okay, so this is the Google Cloud navigation, dashboard. So I'm clicking the navigation menu. So we are going to click the Marketplace. Just find that FortiGate. So just we need to type FortiGate. Okay, so just type the FortiGate and enter it. Now you can see this thing, and now I am going to select this PAYG FortiGate version. I am going to select this one. Now you can see friends, 30 day it's a trial available FortiGate next generation firewall. So you can see this overview and pricing, documentation, support we have. So we can read these things also. FortiGate VM on Google Cloud delivers next generation firewall. So it's running on Google Cloud, or cloud's running on Google Cloud and on those. Okay, you can see the pricing. FortiGate is priced based on the number of CPU cores or virtual CPUs of the instance, 0.30 hour and 0.73 per hour. The dollar is they have mentioned, per month also they have mentioned it. So you can verify it, the pricing, calculate pricing, and estimated monthly total, and you can see for disk size how much per month. This is Indian rupee only, so 48 rupees only. And they are giving the sustained use discounts also. So estimated monthly cost, it could be around 2000. Okay, now I am going to click to configure. I am going to launch this FortiGate next generation firewall. So just I am going to click this launch now. Yes, I have clicked it. So let's wait for it. So what is a FortiGate? FortiGate, it's delivers industry leading enterprise security for any edge at any. I have enabled this friends, required enable. Okay, so it's FortiGate, it's deliver industry leading enterprise security for any edge at any scale with full visibility and threat protection. Okay, now I am going to fill this form. Deployment name, whatever name you can give, I am giving that name. So I am giving that name as just remove that one, I am giving as 588, and I am going to select the availability zone. So zone, so you can see friends, estimated monthly cost also. So I am going to check it. Wow, so many zones we have, so I am going to check it each and everything. So if I am selecting your central one, a, the amount is same only. Again we will be selecting some other zone. If it is reducing, then it will be good, right? So again see friends, it cost is 2000. So I am trying to reduce the amount. So we will change some other zone. This is as per your requirement, you just select it friends. Based upon your requirement, you need to select the zone, but for training purpose I am selecting the less. We should get less amount, right? Your central one, if it's fine only friends, so I am selecting that one. It's coming like inner 1000 only. So I am going to select the series now, machine family. So series E2, and here machine type I am going to select, let me select custom. Then I am going to I am trying to reduce the memory, and I am going to try to reduce the cores, but I am unable to reduce. So then we can go with shared core. So E2, that is 2 virtual CPU and 4 GB memory. Okay, so I am going to select that one. So the cost is 129. this is coming totally 129 only per month it is coming. Okay, then if you are seeing the boot disk, whatever disk as per your need, you can select it. So for balanced persistent disk, I think the amount is little bit less, and I am going to select extreme. Extreme and SSD both are same, only the amount is okay, let it be SS standard persistent disk less amount only. Okay, now I am going to, I have selected standard persistent disk and boot disk type. I am trying to put 5, but see, disk size cannot less than 10. Okay, let it be 10 GB, and this is for testing purpose. So log disk also you can check it, friends. SSD persistent disk, I am trying to reduce the logged disk size. So then I am trying to put some 10, we can put something like that, whether it is coming or not. Okay, it's coming, fine. Then we need to select the image version. So 7.0.2, it's the latest version, I am selecting that one default. And firewall, as per your requirement, you can select this, friends. Add tag and firewall rules to allow specific network traffic. So you can select as per your requirement, as per your need, you can select. Now I accept the solution and deploy. Just click deploy now. So it is loading now. So what is the use of FortiGate, we are going to see. Okay, you can see this estimated monthly cost is 116 only. So now it is deploying. Let's wait for it, friends. Activating the free trial. So let's wait for it. Let's see, friends. It is coming now. Okay, it is loading actually. FortiGate Pay G588 is being deployed. You can see it here. And deployment, right side deployment properties, we have ID created, date and time it is showing, and a manifest name, config import. Okay, so let's wait for it, friends. Now you can see the instance name and instance zone, and you can see the admin user, admin password, it came, but the status is pending. It is being deployed. Admin URL is pending. So let's wait for it. We will give some time. Okay, so before that we will see what is the use of FortiGate. So FortiGate firewalls are purpose built with security processor to enable the industry's best threat protection and performance for SSL encrypted traffic by providing granular visibility of applications, users, and IoT devices. These appliances are designed to identify issues quickly and intuitively. So it is still being deployed. Let's wait for it, friends. We will give some time. At least it will take I think 1 or 2 minutes only. So let's wait for it. So admin user, it came. So you will also get like this only, friends. Admin user, it could be admin only. Then admin password, it's a temporary password only. Okay, it has been successfully deployed. Now we can see this admin URL came, friends. And now we are going to get started with FortiGate next generation firewall. Now I am going to click this login to the admin panel. Just click this, and it is opening new tab, and I'm going to copy this admin user, and entering that admin user and temporary password also we need to enter it. So let's wait for it. We'll give some time, and it's taking some time, less than 1 minute only maybe it will take. So I'm copying this password. I can type that admin users. So you can see the instance zone already we have seen, central 1, and instance mission type E2 medium, and software FortiOS 7.02, which we have selected operating system. And yeah, it is loading. Let's wait for it. So you can see this left side also overview of that. Okay, so you can go through this, friends. Now let's check it. So now I'm going to click this advanced and proceed to, and 34.69.27.130, its IP address. So login disclaimer, it came. Please log in with username, admin, and password, temporary password. Just click accept. Then we need to type admin, and here we need to copy the temporary password and put the temporary password, friends. Just copy the temporary password and put it the temporary password, and click it login here. Now it is asking the old password. We need to put the temporary password, and new password you need to put it, friends. I am giving the letters, 5 digit, I mean 5 letters, alpha letters I am giving. Okay, then confirm password also I am giving. I am not giving numbers or something like that. Let's see. Oh, the new password does not conform to the password policy. Okay, let's try again. I am putting the temporary password and new password. Let's now give, I am giving some alphanumeric, something like that. We are giving the special character also, like we are using the Gmail, right? Gmail password, like that we are I am updating here. Let's try, friends. Now just click OK. Yes, great, it has been success, I mean. Then again we need to put the username. I think admin only we need to type it, right? Yes, we need to type admin. Great. Then password, new password we need to type it. Yes, we have typed that new password, and click login. Yes, that's it friends, we have done, I think so. So dashboard it will come, I guess. Let's see. I'm eagerly to wait. Yes, let's begin. Perform the following steps to complete the setup of these FortiGate. Setup hostname, change your password, dashboard setup, upgrade. Just click OK. Then I'm clicking later, friends. I don't want to do these things. Later I'm clicking this one because we are new to this, right? So I'm giving later. Just click OK. Don't show again. Okay. What is new in this FortiOS? Okay. So that dashboard it looks like only, friends. So you can see these things also: system informations, licenses, virtual machines, FortiGate, and sessions, memory, FortiGate cloud. So this is admin. I'm clicking here. Also system configuration, change password, logout. It is coming. Notification, one notification. It is not registered. It is showing. And left side you can see the status, security, network, users, devices, Wi-Fi. So many things we have here. And then yes, great, we can see the dashboard, it looks good. Status is licensed, 40 care support. So you can see this dashboard. Add widget also we have. Then you can see the network policy, objects, security profiles, VPN, user authentication, Wi-Fi controller system. Like that we have several options here we can do. Logout also we have. Okay, now I'm going to delete it, friends. Now how to delete that one? So we have that delete option. Just click delete. Let's try. Delete FortiGate pay 588 all resources created by it, such as VM, load balancer, and disk. Yeah, delete all. We need to click it, friends. We need to select delete all one. Delete all only. So now it is deleting. 5 minutes ago created on, last modified 4 minutes, and label you can see. So we are deleting this FortiGate page 588. Okay. So history of Fortinet. It is an American multinational corporation headquartered in California. It develops and sells cyber security solutions such as physical firewalls, antivirus software, intrusion prevention systems, and endpoint security components. So Fortinet was founded in 2000. The company's first and main product was FortiGate, a physical firewall. The company later added wireless access points, sandbox, and messaging security. That's it, friends, about this FortiGate. Uh, I think we have done this demo today. So it is deleting now. Let's try it, friends. Let's check it. So you can also try it from your end, friends. So successfully we have deleted this FortiGate from that. Yes, here I'm going to click refresh. It should not work. That's it should not work, right? Let's try. Let's see. Okay. We have refresh. This is my another mail ID. Sorry, I have opened it. I'm closing it. Okay, I have closed it. So this is my correct mail ID. Okay, Blossom 2020. Okay, just click the navigation menu and click home, and I'm going to check in marketplace whether how we are putting this FortiGate next generation firewall. I'm selecting that one, and you can see that whether it is coming or not. It is coming launch only, friends. See here, it is coming launch only. So it has been done. We have done that one. Okay, great. You can also do it from your end, friends. So I'm going to check under that compute engine also, friends. Just let's try for compute engine also whether it is something. If you are not deleted something correctly, then it will reflect it, right? See here, the site cannot be reached. Yes, great. So here also there is no VM. Disk also I'm checking. No need to check it, friends. Just for our reference I'm checking. This is new services, right? So just that's what I'm checking it here. So VM I have checked, and disk also I have checked it. So you can also check from your side. Billing also I'm going to check it. I think they will not detect anything, right? So we didn't use at least 10 minutes. I mean 5 minutes only I have used it, I guess. So I have deleted it. So billing I am checking, friends. So yeah, I think we need to check under the transactions. I have used 1 to 23 only, but tomorrow maybe they will add that one. So 1 to 23rd only it is showing, but maybe tomorrow they will add these charges. Let's check it tomorrow. Okay, thank you so much. And one more thing, friends, I forgot to tell. So what is that means? So after deploying that deploying that FortiGate VM, so you will be getting this email. Okay, you will be getting this, your FortiGate next generation firewall page solution has been deployed. Okay, after deploying, okay, you will be getting this email, automated email from FortiGate, from Google Cloud Platform, GCP Marketplace. Thank you so much, friends. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. If you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, you can subscribe my YouTube channel so that it will motivate me to upload more videos about the Google Cloud Platform demo. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. Bye bye.